Planning to upgrade your Windows version? Before you make the jump, there's one crucial thing you need to do. Save your activation key. Without it, you might run into activation issues later, and nobody wants that. The first method of finding your Windows activation key before upgrading to a new version is by using the command prompt. I'll be using two simple commands, which I've listed in the description below. The first command checks whether your Windows is officially and permanently activated. The second command reveals the activation key you'll need to reactivate Windows after the upgrade. Make sure to write that key down and keep it somewhere safe. Step 2 is to use a free app called ShowKey Plus, available on the Microsoft Store. Just head over there, search for ShowKey Plus, download it, and launch the app. It displays your activation key along with other useful system information. You can also use it to verify or check another key if needed. Again, make sure to save your activation key securely before you begin your upgrade.